Oh, hello friends, and welcome to the constant disaster that is my life. I haven't seen light in several weeks. Oh my god. So yes, hi, hey, hello. Welcome to a poorly lit, very dirty, poor audio quality because this dog is drinking water rum. Yay! Yeah, if you've been around for a while, you have likely heard me complain about the construction that has been happening since like the beginning of this year. If you have not heard me complain, you should probably subscribe so that you can hear me complain. So currently to my house, we are having all of our windows and the doors to the exterior like patio area replaced. Not just to my unit, but to every unit in this building. So there has been like scaffolding set up forever, and because they are now finally doing work to our unit, there is constant noise and construction workers and like literal flames happening in my home. So I can't really be here because it stresses me out, especially when I have to have like meetings and do work, and like there's literally like I can't do it here because there is so much noise. So what we're gonna do today is my partner Ira has a studio which I would sometimes work at, but due to the mass amount of noise, I feel like I'm gonna end up kind of like living here for the next couple weeks and getting most of my work done here during the week. But the problem is like his office is not cute. Welcome to Ira's office.
It's a beauty, isn't it?
What is this? What is this?
Production.
What is this? What is this? So over the next couple of days, we are gonna go ahead and spice up this office, which was, I will admit, largely inspired by Newair, who was extremely kind enough to send us this little mini fridge, which is ideal because like look at the size of this thing. Time to fit this baby in the old Subaru.
What?
Bet you a Tesla can't do that, huh?
Spent 6 months at the bottom of the swim. On my way up to see the monster rides.
One day you'll go in our rec room. First we need to get the rec room though. I'm glad they fixed the elevator though, because there was a time where this didn't work. Ooh, she's crazy. It's the perfect size for an office, or if you had like a dorm or just wanted like to not have to leave your bed very often, just saying. And it's gonna be perfect to hold all of our lunches and also like some milk and whatnot for coffee, because what can I say, I require a lot. Are you impressed?
Very impressive. It's dope. It's got like a freezer and a fridge. Like most of the mini fridges they only have one, you know?
Oh, that's true. You do get dual action.
It's like an actual miniature.
In my old apartment, I'm pretty sure they had a worse version of this, now that I think about it. Remember my really tiny fridge? So is this your new doghouse? We talked about getting you a bed. What if we just put you in the fridge? Wow, look, it even has things. It's a pull-out thing.
Damn. It's like legit.
Yeah, I seriously think I just had a lesser quality version of this in my last apartment.
And it's even got an energy guide. Damn.
Newair has no expense. Ooh. The satisfaction.
Dive in for the kill. If I can't have you, then no one else will. If a vicious sadist.
Oh my god, the only downfall of a mini fridge is everything is so low, and I have just like never related to that in my life. Nice long extension cord though. Alright, this is my moment of truth. My moment, my moment. Wow. I can't hear anything. So hopefully this is actually working. Unlike you, who's not working at all. Wow.
Damn.
That looks pretty nice.
That's great.
Looks better than the rest of this. Would you like to hang up your chill blaze in? I think it would look good right here. With a little couch underneath.
Little couch, maybe a plant, something like that.
Yeah. Create a whole corner just for me. So Ira brought this for lunch, forgetting he didn't have a microwave, which is okay because we have this convenient fridge. Ooh, glass. And it's made even better because he asked me to bring him lunch and did not say because I don't have a microwave, so I brought him food that also should be microwaved. So look, you have lunch and dinner ready. Thanks, Newair. Look at the quaintness for the time being, though. We'll decorate this with this guy here. Perfect. Ooh, is it gonna light up?
It just might.
Wow. Hopefully between this and the fridge, we don't blow all your electric. I think it's gonna be a cute little corner. Oh! Wow. Are you so proud?
Very. Look at it. It's bright. Thor, come look at how bright it is. Look.
Thor's busy on his makeshift bed. Keep in mind, this is what Thor sleeps on when we're here. Just 3 hoodies on top of each other.
Gotta love a free ice cube tray.
Ira jumped the gun and got excited and opened the ice cube tray. Look, it comes with a little scraper.
Oh, what do you do with a scraper?
You scrape, dum-dum.
A single mom who works 2 jobs, who loves her kids and never stops.
There's so much construction, they even locked us out of our apartment. But fortunately, we have a dog. And some sandwiches.
This sectional? Just lounging in IKEA. Another day, another day.
The old glow stab. And a couch.
Couch, by any measure, should not fit into a container that looks like this. But we'll see what IKEA can do. Coming up on our IKEA glow stab review.
Look at him work.
There's one thing I can do. Get slightly swifter in office.
I was on my phone for 1 second and this man. It's blurry, which is making this somehow better.
Getting our glow stat on.
Just dove right in. Wow. Are you so excited for this extremely high quality couch?
Now, if this doesn't say high quality cushioning, I don't know what does. IKEA has done it again.
I guess I'll start on the pillows. Because they take 3 days. The whole time doing this, it just felt so wrong. Like, this really shouldn't be how this should be done. And then it was. And I'd say that's about the IKEA experience.
Pretty much. Always just like, this shouldn't work like this. And in the end, it actually doesn't work like that.
Perfect. Man.
What is this nonsense?
Oh yeah. I don't know if I've ever felt more like I'm experiencing a college experience than right now sitting on this couch.
Yep.
You know, this could be a lot more uncomfortable though, honestly.
It could be worse.
This is not that bad. I'd say.
Yeah. It's not bad.
I was anticipating a lot worse.
I was too.
So.
This isn't bad. You get a couple pillows, doing all right.
Yeah.
Definitely feels very college dorm room.
It does, but.
Feel like I'm a college freshman named Tanner right now.
Yeah. It's just
You know, and like hold it with one hand.
I think the last thing we're gonna do is we bought a new Nespresso machine so that
We're still doing stuff?
so that we could bring our old one here so that not only do we have a couch and a fridge, but we can have coffee, so you can have like lunch, snacks. Like, I'm just saying, now when people come over, you can offer them coffee from your fridge. You can offer them a latte, like have all your business meetings here. So we got this foamer for all your milk needs, and the good old, what is this? Oh, Nespresso Pixie I got from an Amazon truck 100 years ago. Beautiful. And just for everyone that doesn't date men, what is happening? Removable shelves, friends. Removable shelves. Ta-da! Options. Maybe a little Rasheed Wallace. Where should you go, Rasheed? Maybe back there. Now it's perfect. I'm just saying, if you had like a little plant right there.
Yeah, I think like a snake plant would be a hot one.
This would be. Also, I got this extra shelf for you, so keep it somewhere secret, keep it safe. And now that you've watched Lord of the Rings, you understand where that is from.
Oh yeah, I remember that part.
You're dumb. Bum ba bum 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 bum. We were considering getting a rug for underneath the couch for right here, but
Rug could be a hot look. Maybe over time.
yeah.
Plant, snake plant sort of thing, so I can't kill it. That would be nice. Rug. Definitely pillows.
But look, you got a cute little area.
Yeah, no, this is gonna be great. This is dope. It's nice to have somewhere that isn't just a chair to sit in at all.
Yeah, especially for me, because I'm gonna have to be here. Thank you, Newair, for our beautiful fridge that will hold all of my pop and orange juice, because I don't really drink pop. It's mostly just orange juice. But if you have guests over and they want pop,
It's true.
or LaCroix, I hear that's very popular amongst the youth. Oh yeah, let's stick some Red Bull in there. Thanks, Red Bull, for sponsoring previous Trailblazing events. Also, we have sugar-free vanilla syrup, which I'm gonna put behind here. So if anyone would like a sugar-free vanilla latte, we got options, Holmes, or a Red Bull. Maybe just some sugar-free syrup and a Red Bull, really get the party started. Wow, fits so many Red Bulls. Perfect for your college parties. All right, friends, we have succeeded in creating me a space to work in this week. But for now, we're gonna go home, do some more Sunday things. Good times.